What's going on, everyone? It's Emar Morris and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that I know a lot of you have been requesting, the top 5 Forex brokers in the USA. Whether you're just starting your Forex trading journey, or you're a seasoned trader looking for a change, finding the right broker can make all the difference. Choosing a broker is one of the most important decisions you'll make as a Forex trader, because you're essentially trusting them with your hard-earned money. So stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to make an informed decision about which broker is right for you. Kicking off our list at number 1, we have Forex.com. Their platform is super user-friendly, great for both beginners and pros. They offer a wide variety of educational resources, including webinars, articles, and tutorials. Forex.com is committed to transparency, laying out all their fees and commissions up front. They also offer a demo account for risk-free practice. Their customer support is available 24/5, which is crucial in the fast-paced world of Forex. They offer negative balance protection, so you can't lose more money than you have in your account. From my personal experience, Forex.com delivers on all fronts. They're a reputable and reliable broker that I highly recommend. Check out the link in the description to learn more about Forex.com. Coming in at number 2, we have Owanda, known for their competitive spreads. Their platform is clean and intuitive, perfect for new traders. Owanda focuses on transparency, providing real-time market data and analysis. They have a great research team that offers insightful reports. Owanda is committed to innovation, constantly updating their platform. They recently launched a new mobile app for trading on the go. Security is a priority for Owanda with advanced encryption and two-factor authentication. Overall, Owanda is a fantastic choice for traders of all levels. They offer competitive pricing, a user-friendly platform, and a commitment to transparency. Coming in at number 3 is TD Ameritrade, known for their robust trading platforms. Their Forex trading platform is top-notch. TD Ameritrade is committed to investor education, offering articles, videos, and webinars. They have thousands of knowledgeable customer service representatives available 24/7. TD Ameritrade offers real-time market data, breaking news, and in-depth analysis. Professional analysts provide market commentary and insights. From their comprehensive trading platforms to their exceptional customer support, TD Ameritrade is a solid choice. For our 4th pick, we have IG, a global leader in online trading. They offer a wide range of Forex pairs, including majors, minors, and exotics. IG's platform is designed for both beginners and experienced traders. They offer a ton of charting tools and indicators. Pro Real-Time is a professional-grade charting package with advanced tools. IG is committed to risk management, offering stop-loss orders and price alerts. If you're looking for a reputable broker with a focus on risk management, IG is worth considering. Rounding out our list at number 5, we have Interactive Brokers, or IBKR. They're geared towards experienced, high-volume traders with low trading costs. Interactive Brokers consistently rank among the lowest in the industry for commissions and margin rates. They offer access to a wide range of markets and instruments. Their platform, Trader Workstation, TWS, is known for its powerful features. Customer support is available 24/7, known for technical expertise. Interactive Brokers is a great option for experienced traders looking for low costs. So, there you have it, my top 5 Forex brokers in the USA for 2024. Remember, the best broker for you will depend on your individual needs and trading style. Do your own research, check out their platforms, and see which one fits you best. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below, where you'll find exclusive deals and promotions from these top brokers. And while you're down there, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos about Forex trading, personal finance, and building wealth. Thanks for watching and happy trading.